Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to graph some radical functions. So, first thing I want to keep in mind is that the basic square root function here, square root of x, kind of looks like this. So we're going to have a point at 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, and 9, 3. It just kind of goes like that. Now, the best way to kind of go about graphing other variations of it is to keep that in mind and apply some shifting that happens. So for example, right here with my red one, I noticed that that plus 4 is actually going to make it go to the left 4 units, and then that this minus 2 is going to make it go down 2 units. So I'm just going to take all those points and I'm going to apply that. So I'm going to go over to the left 4, down 2, and do the exact same thing with the other one. So left 4 would be that far, and down 2 would be there. And then also, if you know the pattern, the structure, that sort of, you go to the so you go to the right 1, up 1 to get this point, and you go to the right 4, up 2 to get that point right there. And now I've graphed that one. Now, what's going to happen with my green one, it's going to be a little bit trickier. So I'm going to apply the same sort of concepts. I'm going to go to the left 1, and I'm going to go up 1. But the tricky part is this. Two things to take from this. One, it's negative, so that means that my graph is going to actually kind of go down like that. The second thing is that it's going to be twice as tall as a normal graph. So here's how I'm going to do this. First, I'm going to apply those transformations. So I'm going to go to the left 1, and then I'm going to go down, or up 1 right here, and that's my starting point. And then I'm going to follow the normal pattern I would normally have. So up 1, over to the over 4 spots, up 2, over 9 spots, which would be right here, up 3. All right, but now the thing is, I have to take in the negative 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this guy down here 2 spots instead of 1 spot from my original spot. And then same thing, instead of being up 2, this one's going to be down 4. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be right about there. And then that's what that's going to end up looking like right there. And again, instead of being up 3, it should be down 6. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. There we go. All right, let me tidy that up a little bit. All right, perfect. We see that. Finally, let's talk about what to do with a fraction. Same concept. So I'm going to shift it over 3 spots, and normally it would look like this. Now, what's going to make this tricky is the fact that we have a fraction. What that's going to do is, again, it's going to be pulling it up 1.5 times. So instead of, let's see here, for this first one, going up 1, it should go up 1.5, so it should be right about there. But then this next one, I see that here the height difference is 2. I'm going to times that by my a value, which is 3 over 2, to know that it should actually be 3. So it should be that tall. And so that's how I can deal with that subtle difference in my a value. Anyways, that's how we graph the radical functions. Hope you found this to be informative.